everyone, my name is Junianti Putri. People usually call me Yanti. I am already married and I have two children. My first my first child is 6 years old and is already in elementary school, while my second while my second child is 6 years old and still kindergarten. They have they have different they, they have different preference. One of them like mayonnaise, while the other cannot eat any food that contains mayonnaise. There are many other fun and funny moments, especially when I see two of them sharing story about their favorite things. Thank you everyone. Bye.